Welcome students. Hope you all are fine and given your second term examination nicely. Now we are going to continue with the third term portion of general knowledge. We have already sent the video link and the PDF of the lesson The Olympics, and I am taking it as a granted that you have completed the work given in the PDF in copy as well as in the book. If not yet, please do it fast. Okay. Today I am going to take the lesson Body Parts and Disease given on page number 43. What do you mean by the word disease? A disease is a condition which affects the normal functioning of the body. Many diseases are caused by germs and bacteria. Diseases are often known to be medical conditions that are associated with specific symptoms and signs. So first of all, I am going to begin with the word normal functioning. What is normal functioning? You all are blessed with the healthy body. Okay. So what is the function of a healthy body? If a healthy eyes, you can see the objects clearly. With the healthy ear, you can listen the audio clearly. With the healthy mouth, you can chew the food or speak properly. These all are the function: hands, legs, liver, pancreas. These all are the normal body parts. Okay, and if these parts are functioning properly, you are healthy and fit. But if there has some abnormality came due to germs or bacteria or some other infections, then they are going to be suffer with the diseases. In case of the simple hurt and all, you all are using the, what you are doing? You are doing the, taking the first aid. चोट लग गई या कहीं गिरने से पैर छिल गया या जल गए, you are giving the first aid. But in case of major diseases, kindly consult to the doctor nearby you. Okay, it's my humble request. Many of you are taking the means with the help, guidance of the parents, medicine by their own. Please, without the consultation of the doctor, stop using the medicine. So I am going to begin with the topic body parts and diseases with the first disease given in your book, that is cataract. What is cataract? Before I will start this cataract, you should know what is eye function. This is your eye. Okay. This part is a black part in your eye, or this part is a white part. Okay. And this is the black part. This black part is known as iris. Okay, and this white part is known as sclera. Okay, now when the thin membrane will cover on this iris, a very thin membrane will cover on this iris, this is known as cataract. Okay. It is not infectious as it is not infectious disease, it is not a contagious disease. So you can take go to the eye specialist, that is ophthalmologist. Who is taking care of the eyes problem? Ophthalmologist. Okay, so you go and consult to the doctor, they will give you the proper cure and you will get soon. The second disease is pneumonia. Pneumonia is caused by bacterial and viral both type of infections. Pneumonia, the body organ which affects by the pneumonia is lungs, in which there is swelling in lungs. Due to that, the sufferer is having, the person who is having the pneumonia problem, they are having the breathing problem, like asthmatic problem. Why? Because lungs are not functioning properly due to pneumonia. Okay, so in this case also you have to consult to the doctor. Please, this is a serious disease, so don't take it lightly. If you are having pneumonic problem, please consult to the doctor. The third one is polio. polio is a viral disease. Muscles are affected in polio, that is legs muscles of legs are affected in polio, due to which the growth of the muscles of the lower limbs are defected. Means the lower limbs of your leg is not going to be grown properly. Even though you are going to be 25-year-old, but your legs will be very small, and due to that you are having the problem in walking. Okay, there is special type of shoes are available for the polio patients, but by the God grace in India it is absolutely not 100% but 90% it is cured. You remember when you were a young small boy, then mama and papa take you to the some booth nearby you that is called polio booth, and you are getting a things do boond zindagi ke. I hope you might have taken, each one of you have taken this, and that is why in India it is absolutely cured till now. I am not saying 100%, still some are there, but maximum cases are cured. Very rarely we are seeing any polio patient. Okay, so because the campaign is there, Indian government has taken the campaign. They are going door to door, and then they are using the giving the drop to the each and every child. Do boond zindagi ke. So this polio is affecting your legs, and due to this the growth of the lower limbs are affected. Okay. Fourth one is given in your book is meningitis. Meningitis is also commonly known as encephalitis, that is also known as mastic jwar. It is a type of fever which affects the brain's layer. Okay, it is the type of fever which affects the brain's layer, bacterial as well as the viral both. So in case if any one of your home are suffering with the high fever, the first aid you can give to them is put the cold water, मीन्स ठंडे पानी की पट्टी जो है उसके सर पे रखनी चाहिए, ताकि उसका बुखार सर पे कम हो और उससे जो है मतलब जल्दी इंसान क्योर हो जाए. बट बिफोर यू डूइंग एनी फर्स्ट एड यू हैव टू कंसल्ट टू द डॉक्टर. द फिफ्थ वन इज carditis. The carditis is a type of swelling in the heart muscles. Okay. Now the sixth one is goiter. Goiter is due to lack of iodine supplement in the body, and it affects your thyroid gland. Seventh one is jaundice. It affects liver. Mainly it is caused by the bacteria and the virus. Okay. The jaundice are generally this disease is found in that patient, those who are drinking the dirty water or eating the street foods, because it is germs are coming from the outside only because of means गंदगी से ये ज़्यादा फैलता है. Okay. The eighth one is arthritis. The swelling in the joint is the lack of exercise, and it is a bacterial infection. Mainly you might have seen your grandfather or grandmother or some other people, those who are elderly people. Nowadays some young people are also suffering with this. Why? Because everyone is using the mobile and laptop, and they are sitting, and there are very less number of exercises. Got it? So when there is no exercise, the body part will not be flexible, and if it is not be flexible, then there will be a problem. So exercise is very much important for the every human being. Even though you are at home, you are in the lockdown period, play some indoor games with which your each and every body organs will be used. So arthritis is a swelling in the joints, either it is hand joint or it is a leg joint, anywhere, and that is also due to bacterial infection. The ninth one is eczema. It is an infection of skin, and it is due to bacteria and virus. Okay, it is a type of infection in which the itching is there in your body parts, and some ointment are available in the market. You can apply it and it will get cured from this. The 10th one is diabetes. Pancreas diabetes will affect the area that is called pancreas. It is a small organ near your liver. What is pancreas? It is a small organ near your liver, and diabetes affect the pancreas of your body. Okay. Now the questions are coming. What is this germs? What is this bacteria? The smallest particle which cause disease is called germs, and what is virus? It is a link between living and non-living organism which cause disease. I hope these points are clear to you. The PDF is attached with the video. Please go through the PDF and complete the work properly. Make sure you have to complete each and everything in the book as well as in the copy.